Congratulations on your new Chipolo. This video will show you the basic usage of the Chipolo app. The Chipolo box includes the following items: the Chipolo, an extra battery, and a keyring so you can easily attach it anywhere. The Chipolo works with iOS devices running iOS 7 or newer, Android devices running Android version 4.3 or newer, and on Windows mobile devices running version 8.1. For a full list of supported devices, visit this link. First, download the app on the App Store, Google Play, or Windows Marketplace, depending on which device you own. Once the app is installed, tap the Chipolo icon to open it. The Chipolo app is packed with great features, and for all of them to work properly, you must enable Bluetooth, location services, and push notifications. Tap here to continue. With Chipolo app version 2, we are introducing the Chipolo network. It enables you to share your Chipolo with your family and friends, and you can also see all of your Chipolos on a map. Create a new account to get started. Fill out the required fields and tap on the Create Account button. In just a moment, you will receive an email in which you must confirm your network account. Now, go back to the Chipolo app and sign in with your email and password. Now, it's time to connect your new Chipolo. Pull out the paper tab, tap on the plus button, and place the Chipolo in the circle. It usually takes less than 30 seconds for the Chipolo to connect. The app will recognize the color of your Chipolo. Now, it's time to give your Chipolo a name. Your Chipolo has now been set up. Tap on the Done button. Now you are ready to start using your Chipolo. This number represents the current Chipolo's temperature. Tap on it to get more information. This colored dots represent the distance between your phone and the Chipolo. The dots will get colored when you are getting closer to your Chipolo. You can tap on the bell button and your Chipolo will ring so you can easily find it. This button represents the settings. Here are the settings for this Chipolo, and this are the general settings for the Chipolo app. We will go through each and every setting. In the sharing menu, you can invite your friends and family to track this Chipolo. Tap here and enter the email address of the person you would like to share this Chipolo with. Once this person confirms your request, you will receive a notification. You can share each Chipolo with up to 4 people. This icon will be shown when you are sharing a Chipolo. Here you will see a list of people you are sharing your Chipolo with. To remove the person this Chipolo is shared with, swipe left and tap on the Delete button. Tap on the Done button to exit the settings. Now, let's look at the Customize options. Here you can rename your Chipolo and enable or disable the Chipolo sound. Let's take a look at this options here. In and out of range feature means that you will be notified every time your Chipolo goes in or out of range. Along with a push notification on your phone, the Chipolo will also play a sound. In and out of range notifications are enabled by default, but you can always disable them here. If you misplaced your phone, use the Shake and Find feature to find it. For this feature to work, your phone and the Chipolo must be in range. Just shake your Chipolo and your phone will start to ring, even if it's in silent mode. You can always disable this feature here. iOS may occasionally terminate the Chipolo app in the background and disconnect the Chipolo from your phone. Enable this feature for the Chipolo to work, even if the app is terminated. The Chipolo has a built-in temperature sensor. At this settings, you can recalibrate the Chipolo's temperature if you think it's incorrect. To remove the Chipolo from your phone, tap this button here and confirm it. Now your Chipolo will be disconnected from your phone. Now, let's take a look at the general settings. Quiet zones enable you to set a location at which the Chipolo app will automatically disable the in and out of range notifications. When you leave the quiet zone, the app will automatically enable them back. To create a new quiet zone, tap here. While the app recognizes your current location, you can name this quiet zone. Tap here to set it. You can add as many quiet zones as you like. This icon will be shown when you are in a quiet zone. Tap here to change the Chipolo network settings. Tap here to change your account settings. You can change your password here. And you can enable or disable the community search feature here, which is enabled by default. The community search feature enables you to participate in the Chipolo network community. You can help others find their lost Chipolo, as they can help you find yours. When the Chipolo is out of range, this screen will be shown. Here, you can see the last known location of the Chipolo on a map. If you tap on the map, you will be redirected to the Apple's Maps app, where you can use turn-by-turn navigation to get to your Chipolo. If you have community search feature enabled, you can tap on the SOS button here and mark this Chipolo as lost. You will be notified when your Chipolo will be seen by another Chipolo network user, and its location will be updated. Now, let's take a look at the list view. Tap here to see all of your Chipolos. This number here shows the Chipolo's temperature. And if this icon here is shown, it means that this Chipolo is out of range. Tap here to see all of your Chipolos on a map. If you tap here, you can see a detailed view of this Chipolo. To get back on the list view, tap here. Tap on the Chipolo to get back to the default screen. If this button is shown, it means that there is a new firmware upgrade available. By tapping this button, you will start the upgrade process, which usually takes about 7 minutes to complete. Please make sure that your phone's battery is at least 50%, that the Chipolo is placed right next to your phone, and that you do not quit the Chipolo app while it's upgrading. This pop-up will be displayed once the upgrade is complete. After the upgrade, your Chipolo will automatically disconnect and reconnect with your phone. Now, you can tap the bell button to hear the new Chipolo's sound. The Chipolo has a replaceable battery which lasts up to 6 months. Once the battery is running low, you will see this button here. Tap on it to get a tutorial on how to replace the battery. For more information, visit chipolo.net/support.